Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Gamefromscratch, and if there's one thing I know about you guys, it's you like free stuff, and today we've got a lot of free stuff. In fact, we've got 500 plus AAA game quality game animations here coming from Epic Games. Now this was first announced at GDC 2024 during the State of Unreal. By the way, if you want to stay up to date with the latest and greatest and all the news on the world of game development, do hit that subscribe button. YouTube's been really wonky lately, so I do have to say that now. I hate saying it. But anyways, going back to GDC 2024, they had 5.4 Preview 1 was originally announced. Between then and now, 5.4 has formally been released, but one of the big new deals in this one is this guy. Animations take a big stride forward with 5.4. It includes motion matching, a simple and efficient way to animate characters in games that have been used in Fortnite on all platforms since the Chapter 5 launch. Later this year, that being today, we will also release a free sample learning project that includes over 500 AAA animations created from high-end motion capture data with locomotion and traversal datasets used in the keynote demo. In addition, thanks to the extensive battle testing in LEGO Fortnite development, you can now fully animate your game using control rig and sequencer with no round tripping between applications. Now, I'm not going to talk about that last part at all, but let's just say Unreal Engine 5.4 got a ton of animation love, and they promised us this huge library of these animations, these motion matching, this new way of doing animation, and they're here. So they released today over 500 animations with the Game Animation Sample Project, so 500 AAA quality animations, complete with fully functional character and animation blueprint. So everything you see here is there. You can download the sample project. The project is available here. It is one of those create a project projects, so you can't add it to your project, but you should be able to export the animations out to another project. I do wish they'd do it as a library as well, make it easier to use it or bring it into existing projects, but migrating between projects isn't that hard when it comes to Unreal Engine. The other thing you want to be aware of here, this guide requires 5.4. That makes sense. It is new functionality to that particular release, but now let's go hands-on with the new sample, and here it is. So we'll just go ahead and run it, and boom. So what you're going to notice here is we can start off, give focus, and we can go straight to an obstacle course right here, and it's got a variety of contextual animations depending on what you are doing. We can then move on to the next obstacle course, which is this guy, a little bit higher up, and then you're going to see, again, so this isn't keyframe, this is motion matching, the new technology in Unreal Engine 5.4 that is powering this. And now let's go over to obstacle course number 3, and it sends you in the wrong direction, but here we go, and over, it's all going to be contextual based off of what you actually do, and out. So you get 500 plus animations that are going to go with this pack, and then I'm going to screw up the rest of this demonstration because I suck at platformers, but here we are in obstacle course number 4, and jump, and climb, and climb. So it's all based off the context of where you go. Now I can't get this jump to happen, so let's try shift jump. Oh, I made it. All right, so now I'm not going to screw up, and I'm going to land on obstacle course number 5. There we go. Boom. All right, and you can randomize the platform positions and get different results, and I missed. All right, so there, anyways, that is a demonstration of the actual platforms or the animations available in this animation set. Another neat thing you'll notice, if you come back into the demo, you can actually change out some of the settings here. So if you want colorful, light, or dark, you can change them over here. But probably the most important thing here, I do like dark better. All right, is this guy right here, the game animation widget. So you can see a number of different things here, including controls. So if I move around, we're going to see the controls highlight accordingly. You've got some debugging information up here. We could go ahead and change out our character as well. You can also see the controls that are available right here with this quick launch. And then boom. So let's run around our world. So you see as I press different keys, we get different things light up on the controller, and you can switch out the controls on the fly, and so on. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is the animation package. You're going to see, again, all these characters are included in here as well. But what most people are probably here for, again, there is blueprint controllers for the characters here. And then I don't know where the actual animation data is in here. So we got the characters here. One sec. Okay, figured out where they are, and it is not intuitive. So they are under characters, like so. And then you've got UEFN mannequin, like so, and then animations. And all of your animations are here. So, for example, walking animations. You got a wide variety of walking animations there. Here you have idle animations. Here you have offsets. Here you have jumping animations. and so on. By the way, there is instructions on how you can go ahead and export these out elsewhere if you so wish to do. But again, it is 500 plus animations. I'm not going to count them all, but I'm assuming that there's well over 500 here from the looks of things. All available, once again, in characters, UEFN, animations, jump. So if you're interested, what you can actually do is go into the game animation sample project. It's got a pretty good walkthrough, first of how to actually use the demo, and then as to where things actually are implemented, how you can implement your own character, how you can export out the animations for your own project, and so on. So that is it, ladies and gentlemen. The huge 500 plus library of characters, plus, again, the documentation that goes with it, all of which is available on the Unreal Engine Marketplace, completely free. Again, you do need to use Unreal Engine 5.4 to get this to work. I don't know if you can actually backport the animation to like a non-motion matched format if you're using an earlier version. No idea, but you can check that out if you're interested. But yeah, so they promised this one back at GDC, and they have delivered. Now, I gotta say, Epic Games are the kings of giving us a bunch of free stuff, and today we got a bunch more. Let me know what you think. Comments down below. I will talk to you all later. Goodbye.